This year we are having a very tough team because they have been prepared very well. We've gone for almost 4 tournaments where we were the champions in 3 tournaments, that is in Maseno School and Musingu, and we were runners-up at Agoro Sare tournament. Our boys are disciplined, young, and very fast. They play a very fast game. And this year we are looking forward to going for nationals and, if possible, going for East African Championship.
Competition, we have seen the number of teams which are going to participate. I think on my own analysis as a director, we are ahead of all these teams. And I don't know how it came miraculously that we have the opening ceremony done at Maseno School and our pool being played at Maseno School. Basically, we'll top that pool, and on the final day, we'll carry the trophy.
Niciambikite